how to drain a Whirlpool dishwasher that is not draining. So in order to basically do it, first of all, you need to turn the dishwasher off. For that, you just have to simply locate the cancel or the drain button on top of your Whirlpool dishwasher. So you need to press this particular button on the control panel. Then simply wait for at least 1 minute in order to see if the dishwasher starts draining automatically. If nothing happens after pressing this particular button, you can unplug the dishwasher or you can switch off the breaker before working inside it. After doing so, you just have to simply open the dishwasher door and then pull out the bottom rack. You can use a cup, towel or small container in order to remove as much as standing water as possible from the bottom of the tub. This makes it much easier for you to inspect the drain area safely. Now at the bottom of the dishwasher, you just have to simply locate the round or the cylindrical filter assembly, which is going to look something like this. So you need to simply twist and remove the filter carefully. The food particles, grease, broken glasses and debris commonly block this filter and prevent the proper draining. So you need to rinse the filter thoroughly under the warm water before reinstalling it. After removing the filter, you just have to simply check the small drain opening underneath. You can look for the food buildups, the glass fragments or the bone fragments. Even small debris can jam the drain pump impeller and stop the dishwasher from draining. Afterwards, you just have to reconnect the power and then run a short cycle and drain cycle. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.